How to make the locked spin effect. Today's video is sponsored by Sid.
This is either really good or really bad.
This effect is pretty simple and straightforward, but let's pretend that it is very complicated, and I'm a skillful genius. Make your video a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Add a transform node. Go to the frame where you want the spin to start. I will use the moment where Batman is starting the front flip. Activate the keyframe for the angle value. Go in the frame where the flip is ending, and set the angle value to -360. To smooth out the rotation, open the spline editor window, check the angle value, select both of the points and hit the smooth button in the bottom left corner. You can further adjust the smoothing with the handles if you want. When you are satisfied with your animation, go to the transform node, and change the edges to mirror. Go to the settings tab. Activate the motion blur box. Bring the quality all the way up, and play around with the shutter angle and sample spread. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, we agree to disagree.